Use the following information to answer questions 35 through 37. So we have a Smith family planning to build a 3-room cabin. So we have 2 bedrooms and 1 living room. 2 bedrooms, 1 living room. Rectangular floor plan, left figure, and a side view of the cabin. The roof forms an isosceles triangle. We have perpendicular to level floor. Lines are parallel. F is the middle or midpoint of AC, and we have right angles. That's perpendicular. So coming down to these questions, it also says that during the week the Smiths plan to roof the cabin. There is a 20% chance of rain each day. Okay. So the question is, what will be the area in square feet of the top surface of the walkway? Okay, so where's the walkway? The walkway is around here. It even says 3-foot wide walkway around the outside of the cabin as shown in the floor plan. So we want the area of the shaded area. Going back to how to find area of the shaded, we take the whole and we minus the unshaded. So the whole is the entire picture, which is 36 here and 30, so length times width. So that's 36 times 30. 36 times 30 is 1,080 feet. And then the unshaded is going to be, we do have measurements here, it's 24 feet to the top and then 30 feet to the side. So it's 24 and 30. So we have 24 times 30 is the unshaded. That's the actual house, and that is 720. So we have 1,080 minus the 720, which will be the walkway. And that's 360 square feet, C. 36, lots of words. So it says, based on this information, which of the following values is closest to the total price Mrs. Smith will pay for curtains and ceiling fans? Okay, doesn't tell us everything, so let's go look about the curtains and ceiling fans. Ceiling fan in each room, so we know that there are 3 rooms. So 3 rooms. And she will have curtains over the 4 windows. Each ceiling fan has a price of $52. So we know that these 3 will be $52 each. So we already have 3 times 52. She's going to pay more than $156. So none of these answer choices can be eliminated yet. And then it says the price of curtains for each small window. So we have, of our small, is $39.50. And the price of the curtains for the large window is twice that for the small. Okay, so that's $39.50 times 2 for twice is $79. Okay, so we know for the ceiling fans, but what about the windows? So we know there are 4 windows. So coming up to the picture, we have large, small, small, and small. So we actually have 3 smalls and 1 large. So this is times 3 smalls and times 1 for large. So $39.50 times 3, and then we're going to add that 170. That's 79 for the 1 window. That's 197.5. That's how much she's paying for the curtains. So add that to 156 for the ceiling fans, and we get 353.50. So rounded that would be J, 354. We're also going to answer question 37. Mr. and Mrs. Smith plan to roof the cabin on 2 consecutive days. What is the probability that it will rain both days? As we can recall, it does say there's a 20% chance of rain each day. So it says that the chance of rain is independent. So for 2 days, that's going to be a 20% chance of 0.20 times 20% chance of 0.20 because they're independent. So 0.2 times 0.2 is 0.04. We have A is 0.04.